Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Top 1 app. This innovative application is designed to simplify your daily routines and significantly enhance your productivity. Whether you're managing personal tasks, professional projects, or simply organizing your thoughts, Top 1 offers a seamless and intuitive experience. We'll go over everything from initial setup to exploring its powerful features, ensuring you can harness its full potential right away. Get ready to transform the way you manage your day. To begin your journey with the Top 1 app, first download it from your preferred app store. Once installed, you'll be prompted to create a new account or log in if you're a returning user. The registration process is quick and straightforward, requiring just a few simple steps. After logging in, take a moment to explore the main dashboard. You'll find clear navigation options and an intuitive layout designed to make your initial experience smooth and welcoming. Let's get you set up. Now that you're familiar with the basics, let's dive into the Top 1 app's core features. You'll discover powerful tools for task management, scheduling appointments, and organizing your notes efficiently. The app allows for extensive customization, enabling you to tailor themes, notification preferences, and even integrate with other services you frequently use. Experiment with these options to create a personalized environment that perfectly suits your workflow. Unlocking these features will truly elevate your productivity. To truly maximize your experience with the Top 1 app, here are a few pro tips. Always ensure your app is updated to the latest version to benefit from new features and performance enhancements. Make good use of the customizable notification system to keep track of important deadlines and events. Don't hesitate to explore the advanced settings for even finer control over your app's behavior. By consistently engaging with these aspects, you'll find Top 1 becomes an indispensable tool in your daily life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.